Kailangan namin mag-prepare para dun sa Dior Gold Cafe.
As you can see, we have it behind me. Oh! Tignan niyo yung coffee art nung iced cappuccino. Very rich in chocolate. Sobrang crunchy niya, pero at the same time, it's soft. Ang ganda ng consistency. Loob. Yung... Oo. Hello, may Filipino tayo na nakilala here. We are in Siam or Siam Paragon. Sawali and the flavor of sweet corn. This is a very unique flavor for a fry. Kung makikita nyo lang yung building na nag-collapse.
Hey guys, good morning. Time check, it's 8:45 AM. And kagigising ko lang. As you can see sa itsura ko. Kailangan namin mag-prepare para dun sa Dior Gold Cafe. So, ayun, very pretty nung lugar na yun. May mga Dior bags na naka-display habang nagko-coffee ka. Ayun, pang malakasan siya. So,
mag-t-shirt lang ako.
Mag-t-shirt ka?
Pang malakasan siya siya.
Kailangan ko nang prepare kasi may no-show fee ng mga 10 minutes. Wala ka pa doon. So, tara na magmadali. Yeah, let's go. Ano tayo? Maghilamos ng skincare. Hi! So, I am already ready. Hintay na lang kina Perry. Excited na ako lumabas and makita yung place. Very pretty. The Dior Gold. Hi, so we are on our way to the Dior Gold Cafe. And I am excited. Lahat kami excited kasi nga, pretty nga dun. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rafael. You can call me Rafa. And for today's video, we'll be going to the Dior Gold House here in Bangkok, Thailand. And I'm so excited to go here because I know that there are a lot of bags and tasty treats here. So join me. As you can see, we have it behind me. We are going to do a wonderful video of this place. And I'm so excited to do that with you. So let's go. So we are here. As you can see, it is golden. Gold, gold, gold. Here is our pathway. Here is the huge door. Wow. Amazing. Hi, Love and Baby Hailey. Wow, so cute. Kailan kayo dito? So, what are we ordering? I ordered personally ng iced cappuccino. Very limited lang yung menu nila dito. So, we're just making the most out of it. What you're taking here is the experience. So far, the experience is great kasi ang ganda talaga ng place. For me, hindi naman siya super pricey kasi yung iced cappuccino ko is 260 baht. So that's around maybe like 400 Philippine pesos.
Di mo kinaya yung Dior utensils. O pati yung branding ng Dior dito sa may table napkin. Di mo rin kinaya yan. Kaso, na Dior, di mo rin to kakayanin. Ano to?
Panghugas na ng kamay.
Panghugas to? Sige, didip ko yung kamay. Charing. Evian yung tubig na yan. May bayad yan, 260 baht. So,
Na-order mo ba ito?
kasa nung ano, ice latte, masarap.
Aroma ng coffee bean.
Oh! Kapon ka. Tignan niyo yung coffee art nung iced cappuccino.
Go. Custard flan.
Vanilla custard flan. Ito yung
Mano chocolate.
Pano chocolate. Ito yung ano to?
Trio of chocolate with caramelized bananas and almonds.
Ang haba naman nun. Ito ay...
Ito yung chika.
Okay, mahirap bigkasin to.
Kaya, in order.
Ito favorite ko, may stars
Ito
eh.
yung signature nila with pistachio filling.
Oh, okay. Thanks, Perry, ah. So, halos lahat daw ng pastries ay in-order namin. So, try natin sila. So, let us taste. Taste. Talang lasong sa amin chocolate lang. Na very bitter. Ang sarap ng pano chocolate kasi very rich in chocolate. So, sobrang crunchy niya, pero at the same time, it's soft, if that makes sense. Kasi pagkagat mo, maramdaman mo yung crunch. Pero at the same time, sasabay yung softness ng loob ng bread and then yung richness ng chocolate. Perfect. Walang eme, masarap siya talaga. Legit. Yum. Let's taste naman yung pistachio nila, yung may mga stars. Again, very rich yung pistachio niya. Ang ganda ng consistency. Tapos again, crunchy. Para siyang yung pano chocolate. Ang sarap. Lagi siyang dinadala syempre nung pistachio. Tapos yung chocolate naman. Now, titikman naman natin yung custard. So, ayun siya. Makapal siya dun sa gilid and then nasa gitna yung custard.
Sorry, food review.
Of course. Ay, titignan natin kung same pa rin siya ng texture katulad ng iba na very crunchy, tas malambot sa loob.
Yan yung favorite ko.
Yeah. Same siya. Same texture na crunchy and then sa gitna yung custard. But again, walang reklamo, masarap talaga. I love it. Again, third time, sarap. Ito yung honey mousse with hazelnut. Try natin. Ito yung feeling ko, iba yung texture. Iba siya eh. Yung hindi malutong. Ito yung hindi crunchy.
No.
Bango niya. Kapagita.
Ano yan, Yanni?
Ano yung feeling niya?
Nabigla ko dun sa sa lasa.
Tumala.
Ito yung first time na medyo nabigla yung taste buds ko kasi... Ito yung nabigla yung taste buds ko kasi biglang sumabog yung lasa ng honey sa loob. Yung... Oo. Lasa siyang air freshener.
Yeah.
Okay naman siya, pero personally, I don't like it kasi para siyang air freshener na kinain mo. Para siyang air freshener na honey na sinispray. Hindi ko bet yung pagkatapang ng honey. Oh my. Very ano siya eh. Explosion of honey. Then we'll taste yung trio of chocolate. Ito yung parang ka-texture nung honey. Honey na hindi ko nagustuhan. Pero feeling ko gusto ko to kasi chocolate to eh. Yun kasi, actually I love honey rin, pero hindi ko alam talaga. Hindi ko bet yung amoy niya. Para siyang pampabango. Masarap siya. May caramel ata sa gitna. Tapos may caramel siya sa loob. Tapos may chocolate sa labas. Masarap siya. Very bitter. Pero at the same time, hindi siya sobrang bitter. Nababalance ng bitterness yung
Chef Perry
caramel sa loob. Pinaka na-appreciate ko is, I think, yung panang chocolate. Kasi gustong-gusto ko yung pagka-crunchy niya. Then yung chocolate, very simple, very straightforward na crunchy, and then yung chocolatey filling. Gusto ko rin yung triple of chocolate kasi gusto ko very bitter yung kinakain kong dessert. And then meron siyang caramel, and then again, of course, yung chocolate. Hindi ko pa nainom yung coffee ko, yung iced cappuccino. Titikman pa pala natin siya. Iced cappuccino, let's go. Oh my. This is real coffee. Hindi ko gusto ang pait. I mean, ito yung totoong cappuccino. Mapait siya talaga dapat. Pero hindi ko siya gusto. Super pait. Dapat pa na-request ako ng milk. So guys, wag niyo ko i-bash. Alam kong ganito talaga dapat ng iced cappuccino. Pero it's too bitter for me. Sanay ako sa very sweet chocolate, very milky. Ganun yung prefer ko. Like sa Zeus Coffee. Shout out to my favorite coffee brand. Coffee drink, Zeus Coffee. I'm obsessed. It's really bitter, very coffee. Very rich coffee. Tikman natin yung iced latte ng jowa ko. Tingnan natin kung mas masarap pa siya. Again, very bitter, very authentic coffee. Hindi ko masasabing hindi authentic yung coffee ng iba, pero this one is just very bitter, both iced latte and iced cappuccino. Kung hindi nyo gusto nun, it's not for you, but if you like coffee like that, like rich coffee, go for it. Hello guys, so lumabas na tayo dun sa cafe. I mean, same pa rin to, Dior Gold House pa rin to, pero dito tayo sa may labas na area. Kasi para ma-explore naman natin, kasi maganda dito sa labas. If gusto mo ng very rich, very bougie, dun ka sa loob. Pero kung gusto mo ng very like alfresco, labas ka alfresco. Tapos, as you can see, ayan, may mga upuan dito. Tapos there is this lovely area right here na may mga upuan, may gravel, may pebbles. Garden siya talaga. Tapos ayan, dito may mga sculptures, and then si love ko. Hello, may Filipino tayo na nakilala here. What's your name po?
I'm Rizal.
30 years in Thailand, working here as a teacher?
Yeah, teacher
Yeah.
at Assumption University.
Okay, very noble.
Assumption University, Thailand.
Yes, hi. 30 years in Thailand na siya. Here is our bill. 5,000 baht. We just took some photos here, so yeah, we enjoyed it. Hi. Bye. Yeah, so we're done here in Dior Gold House. So let's go to our next destination. Hey there guys, so now we are in Siam or Siam Paragon. So mall to, dito muna kami now, tatambay-tambay. So bibili si Ate Mais ng phone dito sa iStudio, dito sa Siam Paragon. Kasi nasira yung phone niya. Namimili pa si Ate Mais doon sa loob ng iPhone niya, nahirapan siya pumili. Kami nasa labas muna, tapos kung makikita nyo, andito yung DJI. Ay, tingin muna tayo dito sa Casetify Studio. Kasi ang alam ko lang Casetify sa Philippines eh. Kuromi! We have Kuromi cases here in Casetify. It's so cute. Yeah, it's so cute. Guys, I almost orgasm. Doon nakita ko ng store. Oh my God. Ayan o, ang laki niya. Abot siya hanggang doon. OMG. Para siyang fully booked. Pero ang name niya is Box Kinokuniya. Let's go find some awesome reads. Of course, we have the blind boxes here. iPhone 16 na black. Oh, okay. Sawadi. Nandito ako ngayon. Biglang nagtagalog yan, no? Ayan. So, ayan yung food ni Jim. 90 baht yan. I think this is biryani daw. Tapos ito yung kay Perry. Kapon ka. Okay, let's try this. Para siyang chop suey. Tapos ito ay pork. Breaded pork, I think. Lasang Nestea iced tea. 1 coconut, 1 chocolate, and 1 red bean. Let's try yung ice cream nila. Parang siyang dirty ice cream eh. Isang scoop ng chocolate, isang scoop ng coconut, isang scoop ng red bean. And may nuts yung sa akin, yung kanya wala eh. Ayun siya. Oopsie! Chocolate, I'll try.
Sabi nakakangilo.
Nakakangilo siya. Chocolate. Wow. Ah, iba yung chocolate niya. Iba yung lasa niya sa chocolate sa atin. Very creamy. Super creamy to. Like, tsaka iba rin yung texture niya. Sarap ng chocolate. I love it. Then the coconut. Let's try. Oh, I love the coconut.
Wow.
By the way, this is 30 baht for 3 scoops of ice cream. So, sulit. Sarap. Tingin ka dito.
Hindi po masarap.
Hindi daw masarap. Tignan nyo. Hi! Hi! Quick catch up kami. Currently buying fries in Potato Corner and the flavor of sweet corn. This is a very unique flavor for a fry, so I'm excited to try this. Let's try it together. It's weird to taste the sweet corn but have a fry. So it's kind of contradicting and kind of weird, but tastes good. I love the flavor of sweet corn. And to have that in a fry, which I also love, is actually kind of unique and kind of nice. The second try, you're gonna love it. Because the first time I tasted it, it was good, I liked it. But the second time, I loved it. So, 2 thumbs up. Sarap, no? Good. Since favorite mo Potato Corner. Anong lasa? Masarap? Sweet corn yan.
Corn!
May sweet corn. Sarap, no?
Sarap!
Sarap, di ba? Sobrang addict yan sa Potato Corner.
Pwede yun lang kainin sa isang bukas.
Totoo ba? Pag nagsisinig kasi kami, lagi siya nagpo-Potato Corner. Kaya,
Nakakapisa.
yes, favorite niya. So we are currently in Shatokchak, one of the largest or maybe the largest market in Asia. See, earlier I vlogged the building that collapsed due to the earthquake a few days ago. So I just wanted to acknowledge that of how Bangkok is doing right now. As far as I noticed when we arrived here, we really do not feel it because wala naman talagang pinagkaiba. Wala namang mga store na sarado or whatever, pero kung makikita nyo lang yung building na nag-collapse, talagang nakakasad siya kasi alam natin na marami talagang naperwisyo. Pero as far as the state of Bangkok, parang wala naman pinagkaiba. But of course, kailangan natin i-acknowledge yung gumuhong building and of course yung mga taong naperwisyo dahil doon. Pero in terms of their tourism, wala namang pinagbago. Just have to take a moment to think about the people who perished in that disaster. I'm sorry. Wala na, sira na yung vlog ko. Hey guys, nakauwi na kami at lahat. Nakapunta na kami sa kung saan. Super duper pagod lang talaga and excited na magpahinga na. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed a lot.
Support for that with Siri.
Epal ka Siri. So ayun, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. I hope you enjoyed this video because it took a lot of effort. So yeah, deuces!